So I'm green.
And I'm blue. So I get all these blue stuff and she gets all these green stuff.
Yep. Alright, so let's see what we can make.
And we have this to know we are blue and green.
Very
Let's
good.
see what we are going to make. What about a tiger?
You're going to make a tiger?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm going to make a turtle. Uh-oh, my turtle's head came off. Oh my goodness, it came off again. How does that keep happening to my turtle?
Or you could use this if you want to.
Here, let's see. Just to poke it through.
Yeah.
What are you going to make?
A tiger. Remember? Tall.
Uh-oh.
Let me get her. How do I make her? Okay. Okay. Here's my tiger. A human tiger.
I love it. Here's my turtle. Ah! Alright, turtle's gonna get squished. Now what am I gonna make? I'm gonna make
I'm gonna make
a frog.
I'm gonna make a car.
A car?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a frog. Is this a frog or is this a crab? This is a crab.
Yeah. We have no frogs.
Ah.
We have no frogs.
Here's my crab.
I'm just need
He's
to
got little pinchers up here.
I need to cut mine.
Put my crab over
I
there like
lost my scissors and Bluetooth up my bowling thingy
that.
to like smush it.
Yeah.
So I have to do it with my hands or with this job or this.
I'm gonna
And
do
now I
it
have to
different.
cut it with this. And it's awesome how you cut it with this.
Here's my duck.
Okay. Here's my car.
I love it.
Just gonna cut a little bit more. Done.
I'm gonna do a human. It's gonna be you.
Okay. Hi, Jordan. This is for Jordan.
Oh, that's sweet.
That's why I have balloons on the Play-Doh below for Jordan. And it's
You
with
are